Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So I'm here with the best news that I've got in all of 2020 combined. There is going to be a new BlackBerry. So a lot of people have been really concerned, myself included, because the BlackBerry mobile licensing agreement is set to expire on August 31st, which is just about 2 weeks from now because today is the 19th. I woke up this morning and I saw that there was an official announcement that a company by the name of OnwardMobility is going to be working with BlackBerry, and it's going to be working together to produce it with FIH, which is a subsidiary of Foxconn, which, if you all know, they're the guys overseas that make all the Apple phones and a lot of other devices. So there are not really any details on what this phone is going to be, other than the fact that they said it's going to come out in the first half of 2021, and it's going to have 5G. If you look around on the market, that means that my guess is we'll probably get a 7 Series chipset, just because that's the lowest level introductory chipset that you can get that has 5G, at least to my knowledge. But all things aside, there's not really any information right now other than it's coming soon. It's going to be available in 2021, the first half. And yeah, there's going to be more details, I'm sure, that come out in the future. But the important thing is BlackBerry is not dead. BlackBerry is very much alive, and there's going to be a new device, barring any other craziness happening, of course, until the device actually hits the streets and it gets out there in people's hands. You know, I don't want to be a negative person about this. I want to be as happy as possible. Just, so many crazy things have happened in 2020 already. So hopefully their plans are still on course. Hopefully maybe this was a delayed announcement just because of everything that's been going on, but you can go check out the article on Crackberry. I saw it on 9 to 5 Google this morning, and I had like 10 people tag me on Twitter just because, I love BlackBerry and everybody knows it. So super happy about this, super excited. I don't have any of the details, so I just wanted to get this out as quickly as possible to let y'all know there will be a new device. It will be coming to North America. I don't know about worldwide availability. I don't really know anything about OnwardMobility. I'm going to be doing some research. I will put together some more stuff as more information is available to keep you guys up to date, because this is super exciting news. And it looks like it's going to be a keyboard phone, I believe. So great news, guys. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Hopefully this is really exciting for you as well, and I'm really looking forward to this. Whatever we get out of it, I could care less at this point if it's a 4 Series Snapdragon with 4 gigabytes of RAM and whatever. I expect it to be decent. My thoughts going into this are it will be a good device. And something else I read, and it was kind of mentioned in Crackberry, it says device. It doesn't say devices. So it looks like they're just working on one device probably right now and see how that goes. But it's not going to be like this big elaborate thing all at once. But who knows? Speculate what you will. But the best thing that you can worry about today is the fact that BlackBerry is very much still alive. We're going to get a new phone, and that's great by me. So thanks a lot, guys. Stay tuned. As I get more information, I will give it to you, and I will hopefully be able to build a relationship with these people and see if I can get them to send me one whenever the time comes. So that's all I've got. Have a wonderful day. Go BlackBerry.